Sentence number 1, page number is 15, and question number 2 we are doing. To grow plants, first sow some seeds in the soil. So write seeds in first sentence. SEEDS, seeds. Sentence number 2, the dash of most plants grow underground. The roots. ROOTS, roots. The roots of most plants grow underground. Number 3, vines are, V लिखा हुआ है, V is already done, so you will write INES. In the blank, you will write INES because V is already written in sentence number 3. Vines are long, strong plants that grow up the side of tree. These plants, these vines grow in the sides, on the sides of the trees. जो extra plants या grass grow हुई होती है by the sides of the trees, that is called vines. So vines are long, strong plants that grow up the side of a tree. Number 4, sometimes you may need a stone to break open a hard nuts, NUTS, nuts. Sometimes we need something hard stone to break these nuts, for example, as you can see in the picture. So in sentence number 4, you will write nuts. Number 5, a dash is a thick forest in a hot, wet country where plants grow close together. So it is jungle. A jungle is a thick forest. JUNGLE, jungle. Number 6, a dash is a deep hole in the hillside where large animals may sleep. What it is? Cave. CAVE, cave. Number 7, berries. B already is written, so you will write ERRIES, berries. Berries are a type of fruit. You can make jam with berries. दोनों blanks में you will write berries. In both of the blanks, you will write berries. Number 8, if you try to walk across a marsh, your feet will get very wet. In number 8, you will write marsh, MARSH, marsh. Have you done, everyone, with these sentences? These are the sentences. Kindly note it down in your copies or in your rough copies if you don't have books, and in your books if you have books. On number 1, it will be seeds. Number 2, root. Number 3, vines. Number 4, nuts. Number 5, jungle. Number 6, cave. Number 7, berries in both the blanks. Number 8, marsh. Tuba, did you understand? If you have any question, you can ask me by raising your hands. Please raise your hands in front of your camera, so I will get to know that if you have any question or not. Everyone had done this. Ifan, Tuba, Shujia, Samaha, Daniel, Dania. Dania, turn on your camera. Azan, turn on your camera. Daniel, turn on your camera. Everyone had done these questions. Okay, now come to question number 3 then, if you have write it down. Okay, question number 3 is phonics, the J sound. Sort the words in the box into 4 groups as shown below. Now these words are given in this bracket, in this box, dialog box. We have to categorize them, or we have to sort it them out in these sentences. For example, number 1 is words that end in AGE. जो words AGE पे end करते हैं, we have to write it down in first one. For example, cottage, and the next word that ends with AG is message. Write message in first one. Message is also ending with AGE, so you will write message in first one. Number 2 is words that begin with GE. अब first वाला जो था that ends with AGE, second one is that begins with GE. General, okay Samaha, part 3 is also done, okay good. Message, okay, number 2 general, gentle, geography. All the spellings are given in this dialog box. General, gentle, geography. Number 3, words that begin with J. अब जो words J से start होते हैं, we will write it down. Joke is done for you. Jam and jungle. I have written down joke again. वो आप मत लिखिएगा. Just write jam and jungle. In example, joke is already given, so you will just write jam and jungle. Number 4, words that end in DGE. In example, fridge is given for you. The other word is bridge. BRIDGE, bridge. Done. Okay, now look at this question number 4. This is your homework. Question number 4 is your homework. What you have to do is write sentences using 2 words from exercise 3 in each sentences. ये 4 दिए हुए हैं. The words with the A, G, E, G, E, J and D, G. अब इनमें से आपने you have to use two words and make them use in your sentences. हर पार्ट में से आपने 2 वर्ड्स लेने हैं और उसके सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. Do you understand? Choose 2 words from each part and use them in your sentences. Yes, Shajia.
हमने हर 1 2 3 4 में से हमने हर उसमें से एक वर्ड करना है.
2 words. हर उसमें से 2 words लेने हैं और जिसमें सिर्फ 2 words हैं
हर
वही
पार्ट में से.
हाँ जी, हर पार्ट में से.
और टीचर वो जो आपने पहले वाला जो था पहले पेज नंबर 6 के उसमें भी हमने हर उसकी वजह से भी 2 वर्ड्स निकालने थे.
हाँ जी, उसमें से भी.
ओके.
ठीक है.
ओके.
ओके. यस तुबा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा.
टीचर ये जो आपके है ना उसके बाद यू विल लर्न अबाउट bridges and
I can't hear you, Tuba. What are you saying, beta?
Teacher, ये जो है ना example you learn about bridges in. टीचर क्या वर्ड है इनके बाद?
In geography lessons.
टीचर उसके बाद लिखा है मेरा talk about places in example A that you can find in Pakistan. Add these 2 mountains, deserts. Example, you can find deserts.
No, Tuba, beta, listen to me. Listen to me. आपने उसका कुछ नहीं करना, ठीक है? You just have to use 2 words and make sentences. That's it. ठीक है?
ये जो इधर लिखे हैं वो यूज करना है.
ये जो अभी हमने ये वर्ड्स किए हैं 4 उसमें 4 पार्ट्स में, इन्हीं में से ही आपने 2 वर्ड्स यूज करने हैं और उनको सेंटेंसेस में यूज करना है.
ओके.
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 Done this page. Now you can come to next page. Page number 16. We will start reading of next page. Page number 16. Take out page number 16. This is page number 16. And unit number is yes, Tuba.
टीचर आपकी रीडिंग कोई और है, मेरी किसी और चीज के बारे में है.
Sorry.
टीचर आपकी बुक ना रीडिंग की जो आपकी बुक है ना वो किसी और चीज के बारे में है, मेरी किसी और चीज के बारे में रीडिंग लिखी हुई है.
आपकी रीडिंग किस बारे में है?
टीचर once upon a time, who are the characters in the story? How can you describe them?
It is not about this jungle book.
No, teacher. Teacher, मेरा कोई और है.
Okay, I am sharing screen with you ना, तो आप वहां से रीडिंग देख लो अभी, ठीक है?
Okay.
बाद में we will see what we have to do of your book, कि आपके book में different क्यों आ रहा है. Just right now you can do the reading from the screen sharing which I am doing. Okay, don't worry about it. कि
टीचर पहले मैं
start reading from here, Tuba, from screen sharing.
Sherhan is safe in their cave with their wolf. टीचर आपके आगे पीछे हो गया स्क्रीन.
Wolf cubs.
Wolf cubs, father and mother. Wolf listened to Sher Khan. The tiger not far away. Sher Khan has a bad leg, so he can only kill cows, said Mother Wolf. Sher Khan is hunting people, not animals. Planet, said
Tonight,
father.
tonight,
That said father Wolf, but the law of the jungle says that animals must not hunt man, because man killing brings men with guns. Then everybody in the jungle is in danger.
okay, very good. Stop, Tuba. Okay, now this story is about a jungle boy who is protected from a tiger by the animals. Which animals protected him? I will ask you later after doing the reading. So there are the characters in the stories: wolf, father wolf, mother wolf, and a tiger which is named Sher Khan, and he had a bad luck, his bad leg. His leg is broken, so he can only kill cows and these kind of animals, not the strong animals like wolf. He cannot kill them or he cannot hunt them because he is injured, his leg is injured. So Sher Khan is hunting people, not animals tonight, says Father Wolf. But they had a law in the jungle कि they cannot kill human beings or men. क्योंकि अगर वो इंसानों को हंट करेंगे तो इंसान भी आगे फिर एनिमल्स का हंट करेंगे. So that's why there is a rule of a jungle that animals must not hunt men, because if they will do hunting of men, so men will come and with guns and they will hunt everyone in the jungle, every animal in the jungle, and the jungle will be in danger. So let's see what happens next. Who will do the reading next? Samaha, Shajiha, who will do the reading? Who should I unmute now? Let me see. Samaha, beta, unmute yourself and start reading next.
Assalamualaikum teacher.
Walaikum assalam. Samaha, यहाँ से start करें. Start reading from here. Suddenly they heard.
Suddenly they heard a noise much nearer to them. It's a man. A man cub. Look, said Father Wolf, and there is front of them stood a baby who could just walk. He looked up at Father Wolf and laughed. Is that a man cub? Asked Mother Wolf. I have never seen one. Bring it here. The baby small and with no clothes pushed its way between the cubs to get near to Mother Wolf. Look, She said he is talking his meal
Taking.
with taking this meal with the others.
Okay,
I
stop.
have
Okay, stop it. Okay, Azan, you have also a different page like Tuba, so don't worry. Just do the reading from here, the screen sharing. We will see what we have to do of your pages which are different. Now, what happens next when Sher Khan leaves from there? What are cubs? Cubs are the babies of wolf. जो wolf के babies होते हैं उसको कहते हैं cubs. So suddenly they hear a noise. Mother wolf says suddenly they heard a noise nearer to them. So as you can see in the picture, this is a baby boy of humans baby. This is a human baby. So they also call it a man cub. Okay, this is a man cub. Look, father wolf says, and he's standing in front of them and who just walked with them, and he is not afraid. He looked up at father wolf and laughed. Sometimes it happens na कि हम animals को देख के या some babies while seeing animals they get terrified and they get frightened, but he is not frightened. He is laughing at them. While looking at father wolf, he starts laughing. Now mother wolf asks father wolf, is that a man cub? कि ये क्या एक इंसान का बच्चा है? Is that a man cub? I have never seen one. She says she had never seen one, and he bring it to him, bring it here. And the baby is having no clothes. As you can see in the picture, he is wearing no clothes, and he make his way. See in the picture, this is a mother wolf sitting at the side, and there are 4 wolf cubs with her. So he makes his way towards the mother wolf as as he can recognize that that is the mother and she will give him a love. So he makes his ways toward the cubs of the wolf, and he went to mother wolf. And she says, look, he's taking his meal with others. While the other wolf cubs are taking their meal, so he also take his meal from them. Okay, who will do the reading next? Shajiha, I am unmuting you. Please do the reading. Start
the
reading
man.
from here. I have heard that.
Yes, teacher.
From here, I have heard that. यहाँ से पढ़ें.
I have heard that this has happened before, said Father Wolf. But I have never seen this until now. Look at him, he is not afraid. Suddenly it was dark, and Sher Khan the tiger was pushing his great head in through the mouth of the cave. I am hunting the man, said Sher Khan. Its father and mother have run away. Give it to me. The man cub belongs to us, said Father Wolf. The, the fact the other wolf and I will decide if we want to kill him. We will kill him, not you. Now go away. Go, Sher Khan went. He knew that he could not fight Mother Wolf and the cave in the cave. But I will have this man that one day the thief he the
You
thief he
thieves.
shouted, thief, you thief, he shouted back from the jungle. Do
Okay,
you
now what
really
happens? हाँ, next 2 lines पे पढ़ लो on the next page.
want to keep him, Mother? Said Mother Wolf. Keep him, said Mother Wolf. Yes, he came here by night, alone and hungry, but he was not afraid. Yes, I will keep him and call him Mowgli because he looks like a frog.
Okay, done. So now what happens next? Father Wolf says that I have heard about these man cubs, but I had never seen them until now. Now he had seen it, and he had also seen that this child, the man cub, is not afraid of these wolves. So suddenly, when it was dark, night appears. Sher Khan, the tiger, was pushing his great head and he was trying to get into the cave. And he says, as you can see in the picture, look at his face, how horrible he is. So he says that I am hunting the man cub, that had came here to hunt this child, कि वो इस बच्चे का शिकार करने आया है. Uh, and he says its father and mother have run away, कि इसके माँ बाप भाग गए हुए होते हैं. And the Sher Khan was trying to hunt them, so they ran away and they just left their child there. और ये बच्चा यहाँ पे केव में आ जाता है वुल्फ के पास. नाउ शेर खान वांट्स टू हंट हिम, वो उसका शिकार करना चाह रहा होता है, बट द फादर वुल्फ हैज प्रोटेक्टेड हिम. ही सेज द मैन कब बिलोंग्स टू अस, सेड फादर वुल्फ, कि ये अब हमारे पैक का हिस्सा है. द अदर वुल्फ एंड आई विल डिसाइड कि हम इसको रखना चाहते हैं और इसको मारना चाहती हैं. तुम यहाँ से जाओ ना. गो अवे शेर खान. So Sher Khan went away and he knows that he cannot fight the mother wolf because his leg is already injured. So he just ran away and he shouted that on the wolf that you are man cubs, thieves, ki aap chor ho, you have uh, kept this man cub with you, the child with you. The next three lines on the next page says, the father wolf asked the mother wolf whether she wants to keep this child or not. So the mother wolf says she wants to keep this child because it came at the night. In the night, it was hungry and it was not wearing any clothes, and she wants to keep her, and she will name her Mowgli because she thinks she looks like a frog. So she names her after Mowgli. So this is how he's raised by these animals. So I hope you have seen this story. I want you all to just rewatch this story on YouTube. Go and search the Jungle Book stories, and you will find this one of the story, how Mowgli reaches the jungle and how he is adopted by these animals.
Teacher, my
Uh,
TV
today you tomorrow you don't have any class, so I want you to just go and search on YouTube and watch this video, watch a story of Jungle Book again, so you can recall all the memories of the Jungle Book stories.
टीचर मैं देखी हुई है जंगल बुक.
आपने देखी हुई है?
यस.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं, you can watch it again. So if you have any question regarding this lesson, you can ask me.
नो.
I will send you your homework through WhatsApp. ठीक है? Don't worry about the homework. I will send you your homework through WhatsApp. Those whose books are in school and books and copies, kindly get and copies back so that you can start your routine homework. In this chapter, this who protected him? Yes, Tuba, who
टीचर
protected him from the animals? Tuba, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, teacher.
Up, unmute you, but I can't hear you.
Yes,
Just tell me the answer. Yes, Tuba.
teacher, आपके पास में लगे क्या करने?
Which animals protected him? No, I can't hear you. Azan, unmute yourself. Azan, unmute yourself. Have you listened to the story,
Teacher,
Azan?
yeah.
Okay, answer this question. Who protected him?
टीचर लेकिन मैंने स्टोरी नहीं पढ़ी लेकिन मुझे मेरी बुक आपसे बहुत एक्सचेंज है आपके वर्ड्स मुझसे बहुत एक्सचेंज है जैसे कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है ना मेरे इधर इधर मेरे लिखा है रीड द स्टोरी एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन हु आर द कैरेक्टर इन द स्टोरी हु कैन यू डिस्क्राइब देम
बेटा आई नो दैट मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया है जस्ट डोंट वरी अबाउट द स्टोरी दैट यू हैव अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी आप बुक की स्टोरी मत देखो जस्ट सी द स्क्रीन विच आई एम शेयरिंग और वो स्टोरी सुनो आपने वो स्टोरी क्यों नहीं सुनी बताएं टेल मी अजान
टीचर मैं क्या कहते हैं टीचर मैं जब आप ये वाला आंसर बोलिए मैं वॉशरूम गया हुआ था
No, when these students were doing the reading and I was telling the story, why were you not listening to it? Now answer me, who protected the jungle boy from Sher Khan?
टीचर टीचर क्या कहते हैं टीचर शेर खान ने वो जंगल के बॉय को किसने बचाया था
हाँ जी
टीचर ब्लैक पैंथर ने
नो फ्रॉम आप तो वो आंसर जंगल बुक की स्टोरी से बता रहे हो फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी दैट वी हैव डन इसमें है फ्रॉम वुल्फ वुल्फ्स वर द एनिमल्स हु प्रोटेक्टेड हिम फ्रॉम द शेर खान और द अदर एनिमल्स
ओके
ओके Ifham and Imtishal, your mic is not coming. I can't unmute you. Just check your audio connection. Ayan, Rashid, Daniel, your cameras are off. Tuba, unmute your. Tuba.